Detachment is the key, honey. Detach yourself from the outcome, detach yourself from the results, and you will see the magic. Really, I'm not sure, I'm not just, saying for saying. No. You will see the results. I'll give you my example, my own example. Currently, I'm doing a job as an assistant professor in a college, and I'm so detached from the result, from the outcome. I'm just so detached from the how my seniors view me, how my seniors going to like me or not. I do not care. I'm just giving my 100%. I'm just there because I got the experience. That's it. Because I'm just getting the experience, and I do not care about the money thing. I do not care about the position thing. I just don't. And I'm so happy. Detach yourself. When you detach yourself, you have no fear of failure. You have no fear of how people going to view you, pursue you. You do not care about it, whether people going to like it or not, whether people going to love you or not. You just don't care, because you do you, and you are happy. That's it. Like, I don't want anything in return. So whether that job is going to last or not, I don't care, because I'm not getting anything instead of the experience. And if I ever get fired from that job, I know I will get the experience. That's it. Same as applies to every area of your life. Like, for example, you love someone, you do everything for that person, you do your efforts, only that person deserves, and you just don't want to get that in return. They automatically will going to give you, but you are just so detached from the outcome. You just so detached, like, whether can you give me or not, I don't care. You become attractive because you are not in that begging energy, you are not in that chasing energy. You are not like, I want attention, I want attention, I can do anything to get attention, I can do anything to get love. You're just so detached because you're just so fulfilled in yourself. You don't want that validation, you don't want their love, you do not want their kindness, you do not want anything from that person. And that's fucking attractive. I'm sorry. Even that person is going to afraid to lose you, because that person think, oh, this person do not need me. This person be with me because they love me, they do not need me. That person is be with me because that person want to be with me. It's not about need, it's about want. And the want is fucking attractive. Need is not attractive. Need is like, I need you, you are in that begging energy, you are in that low energy, you are in that chasing energy, and that is so unattractive. Like, if somebody just constantly, for example, just chasing you, just always try to get your attention, always wanting your attention, wanting your love, back for your love, back for your time, you automatically are not going to respect that person. You automatically are not going to give that person that respect that they deserve. But if someone is in that energy, like, I don't need you, if you want to give it to me, if you do not want to give me that attention, that love, it's okay, I just move on. Like, I want you, I love you, but I do not need you. Like, I can be with you if you treat me right, I can be with you if you want me to, but I don't need you. That is attractive. That is attractive. And that same applies to the universe for the manifestation. You want something, right? Just tell the universe that you want something and just detach it from it. Detach yourself from that thing. Like, I want a ring light, and I will, like, I know I just want a ring light. I'm not chasing. I'm not like, please buy me that ring light, not finding that ring light everywhere possible, and the ring light comes to me automatically. Like, it's not a magic, but just I know I can get it whenever I want to. That's how universe work in every area of your life. When you seek love, out from the place of insecurity, from the place of lack. Like, I do not love myself enough, but I want love. I want other person to love me. It's not possible. If you are not loving yourself, if you're not giving yourself completely, honestly, everything that is possible, that you can give it to yourself, that you should, nobody in this world is going to fulfill you. Nobody in this world is going to love you the way you want, until you do not start loving yourself, until you do not start giving yourself all the things that you need. Can you remember anything that when you want something so desperately from the place of lack, that thing is just not coming in your life, no matter what you do for that thing, whether it's a cloth, whether it's a jewelry, anything. And when you stop looking for that thing, when you just like, now I don't care, it just comes to my way or not, I just don't care about that thing anymore. When you just leave that thing and fed up, like, I don't want now, or maybe I just don't care, that thing comes automatically to you without any efforts. Now remember what I'm saying from in the start: detachment. That is called detachment. When you just leave things, like, I don't care now, I want it, I do all the things that is possible to get that thing, now I don't care, and that thing will come automatically to you. It happens in every area of your life. When you want love, give yourself love, and just ask the universe that I want love, I give it to myself. Whenever you feel like you should give me love, give me, and now I don't care because I love myself enough. And the person who are madly in love with you will come in your life. That's the law. Detachment is attractive. That's it. That's what I know. That's what I experience in my life. When you are just so fed up and you took all the things in God's hand, universe hand, like, I just leaving all the things because I'm just so fed up, like, I don't care. Then universe and God start caring about that thing, and they just start preparing you to get that thing, or give you that thing. If you really want to be someone who attracts anything, be detached. If you really want to be happy in your life, like completely inside, be detached. Detach from the feelings. If it's meant to be, it will happen to you. If a person meant to be in your life for forever, nobody, nothing can push that person away from your life. Even you cannot push that person away from you. You are not able to. If that person meant for you, nobody, no situation, nothing can separate you. If something happens for you, it's because that thing is for you. If you see some dream and you want to achieve it, if that dream is yours, completely yours, not just the influence of other, you will get it. You will fulfill that dream one day, for sure. I'm not saying stop doing the hard work. Of course you should work for that dream. First do your 100% and then just leave it as it is, like, I don't care. It may sound like it sounds like very easy. It's in doing, it's very tough, but you have to do it, because it's only mantra to be attractive. It's only mantra to be happy. Is It's detachment. Detachment is the highest form of self-love, for me, according to me. When you actually detach, you're free from anxiety, you're free from chasing, you're free from low vibrational energies, you are free from, you know craving, lack, and you just automatically attracts things, because you are fulfilling yourself, because you are abundance. That's what you are. You are king, you are queen. Believe me, listen to me very, very carefully. Detach yourself from feelings as well. I know it's very tough. When you really love someone, you automatically gets attached. You automatically expect, you know, efforts in return. You should. The efforts you know you deserve should be taken care by other person, and if they are not taking care of that those efforts, you should leave that person. But believe me, detachment is not about hating someone. Detachment is not about being alone. You can be with somebody, you can love that person with your all your heart, and still you are detached because you are not craving, you know you deserve it, and that person is going to give it to you. That's a love. That's the good genuine attachment. And if you're constantly asking for efforts, if you're constantly asking for something, that thing is not for you. That person is not for you. It may sound harsh, unpleasant, hurtful, but that person, that thing is not for you. Detach yourself to be happy. It's the highest form of self-love. Is the last week video on self-love. And yeah, I must say, I repeat this again and again, detachment is attractive. Detach yourself. Love you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.